welcome back, and if you're new, big welcome to you. And if you probably realized by what I just did like a second ago, we're doing a meet all my dogs. So let's go. Almost left you behind. Let's go. Go to the think about what you've done box. Don't attack the guinea pigs.
I got a quiet bow.
I'm gonna go outside for a little while. Okay, here are the dogs. This one's Belle. That one's Grace. They're good floppies. Because you're dumb. Because they're fuzzy. Because they're good flop. Because who's a good floppy? Who's a good floppy? Ah, he's dumb. Who's a good floppy? Who's a good floppy? Who's a good floppy? Okay. So this tin one is good. She likes to dig, which is why she always gets out and about, and then we'll have to go looking for her. Isn't that right, you little Miss Sneak Away? Then this is a really good, loyal dog, Belle. She doesn't escape, and she's pretty tame, and they're both good floppies. Dad says Belle's better because Belle doesn't go away, but Grace just, I'm pretty sure she wasn't abandoned, but more like abused. It's like she might want to be getting out. Well, I think I don't know how she was abused, and I don't know if she ever got out, which is why she likes to get out, because it just makes her feel comfortable. But that's why we gotta start going on walks again. Not just for the dogs, but because of us. Yeah. Those are the dogs, and yeah. Let's see who's faster. Buckers! Oh, it's a tie. Who wants to go inside? Oh, Belle made it. Too bad Gracie got left outside. Belle made it. I'm just kidding. Grace goes inside with me. And Belle. Dogs know how to open doors. I'm buff and I'm tough. I'm buff and oh. Okay. So, and love y'all. Bye. And please like and subscribe and hit that bell to make it go ding ding ding. So yeah, bye. And subscribe and like and share.